Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Leela Web Dev. In today's video, we are going to dive deeply into a real and cool and powerful concept that in Node.js, that is nothing but Duplex and the Transform Streams. So what is this Duplex? First of all, in this video, we will try to learn about the Duplex thing. We will start by understanding what Duplex streams are, why they exist, and how they are different from readable and also have writable streams. And we will implement our own custom Duplex streams from the scratch. At the end, I will show you how Duplex streams lead us directly into a transform streams, which we will cover in our next video. Let's try to see it. So let's start with a simple theory real quick so that you can able to understand it very quickly. So you know that Duplex stream is just a combination of a readable and a writable stream. So that means if you try to see here, so you will be having a Duplex stream here. Okay. So this is our Duplex stream. So here is the thing. What is the thing is there are two parts which are completely independent to each other. So that is nothing but the Duplex stream has two internal buffers. So one is this one. So this is readable. Okay, readable buffer. Let's say. And this one is a writable buffer. So these two buffers are independent to each other. Okay. So this one is a writable buffer. Okay, writable buffer. So let me write this one. Writable buffer, and here also I will write it like this. So this is our buffer, readable buffer and also readable. So it has two separate internal buffers. One is used for reading and another is used for writing. Unlike readable or writable streams, they only manage one buffer. So normally the readable streams and writable streams, if you try to see, they will manage only one buffer. A Duplex stream manages both. These two parts can interact with different sources or in destinations. For example, reading for a file and writing to a network socket, something like that. So that means these two buffers are independent to each other. They are not connected to each other. These two are independent to each other. So that means, for example, you are having a file something like file1.txt. Let's assume that file1.txt. Okay. So this is the file. So just it can the stream. So here you will be pushing the data. Okay. You will be pushing the data into this one. And readable stream, and here whenever you are trying to emit the data, so event the data, so the readable stream, the data will be exposed here. So this is completely different. And the writable data, so how you will be having this writable data? So here, so you will try to write the data, stream.write of data, something like that. You will try to write the data. Okay. So whenever you are expecting, whenever this buffer is full. Okay. So whenever this buffer is full, so whenever you write this data into this ones, so you will get the data, right? So here you will get the data. So you can write it in your own file2.txt. So you can write it in your own, or otherwise you can send it to the network socket or something like that. So whatever the things you want to send it, so you can do it. These two are completely independent to each other. So normally, why does this Duplex exist in the JavaScript? So if you try to go to the Node.js documentation, so this is our Duplex thing, right? A Duplex stream is one that implements both readable and writable. So the best example for this one is TCP socket connection, which we will try to cover in our upcoming series, the Node.js, after completion of the streams. So this TCP connection, we will try to use it, this Duplex stream, because JavaScript does not have support for multiple inheritance. So normally the Duplex class, so that's why the Duplex class is extended to implement a Duplex stream, as opposed to extending the stream.readable and stream.writable class. Normally the multiple inheritance in JavaScript, it is not supported. Example, let's say that I will try to create a folder here, Duplex, so that we can able to write the code. So here I am creating a new directory, so Duplex, and in this Duplex I will try to create a new file, custom duplex.js file. Okay. So in this one, so normally if you want to add the stream, so class Duplex stream. So let's say that if you want to add a Duplex stream extends, so you want to extend both readable and writable, right? So this is not supported. So this is not supported. Why? Because JavaScript does not support the multiple inheritance. So here what we can do, what we are trying to do, so because of this one, a new one has been introduced, that is nothing but Duplex class. So the Duplex class prototype typically inherits readable and also parasitically the writable, but instance of will work properly for both base classes due to overriding on stream.writable. So here, so Duplex, it needs to extend the duplexes so that both the things will work. So the things you will be having a separate high watermark, that is nothing but readable high watermark, writable high watermark. So different cases are there. Let's try to see it. So now whenever you want to create a stream that supports both writes and writes means, then you need to extend from duplex. So let's try to implement a custom duplex stream step by step. So here I would be writing the duplex stream, so it should be extended from the duplex. Okay, it should be extended from the duplex, and that duplex comes from the constant duplex is equal to, and this one should be constant duplex is equal to require of stream. Okay, so now we got the duplex. So here you need to understand one important thing, and also let's import the fs also. Constant fs is equal to require of fs. So now you need to understand one thing. So here the same thing happens. So we have imported the required modules. Now we need to create the custom duplex class. So here I have created the custom duplex class, which should extend the duplex. So now what we need to do, so normally it will have a constructor. So that's a normal thing. So you will have a constructor, so which you will try to give the constructor. But in this constructor you will be having varieties. Varieties means nothing but the options will be different. So you need to, as I told you right, duplex is nothing but it's a combination of both readable and writable class stream. So here you need to give readable, okay, readable high watermark or something like that, it will happen. So let's try to take it. So yeah, readable high watermark. So you need to have this one, and you need to provide the writable high watermark also, high watermark, and you need to provide read file name, okay, and also the write file name. So these are the things you need to provide it. So these are things. So whatever the things are necessary, you need to provide it. So now we got this one all. So what I can do here, we need to call the parent constructor. So here I need to pass the readable high watermark and writable high watermark. So I have passed it. And the last one what I need to do it is, so here I need to do this dot read file name, okay, is equal to read file name, this dot write file name. So if you need it means you can use it. So if you are not using anywhere means, so just you can. So here I need to create read fd file descriptor, which should be null, and another one is this dot write fd, and this also should be null. So this is the setup for basic setup for the constructor. So I told you right, this one is a duplex stream. So if you try to go to our Node.js documentation at the top, if you try to see our implementing our own readable and writable stream, so you will be having a table structure, right? If I try to explain you, yeah. So if you are going to implement a duplex stream means both reading and writing means, so you need to implement read method, write method, and also final method. So these all the methods should be included. So any of the methods or all methods should be included. So that means you need to implement the read method for implementing the readable stream, write method for implementing the writable stream, final means when the stream is ended. So like this we need to do. So destroy method we need to do when the stream is everything is completed. So that means we need to implement both the readable and also the writable stream. So now in the next video what we will try to do is we will try to implement the both readable and writable stream in the duplex stream, so that we will check the output also. Hope you understood about this basic setup, and also you are able to understand there is readable stream. So in the next video what we will try to do is we will try to implement this duplex stream, and we will try to see the output also. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.